Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Ravacnik Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of constantly cleaning up pet hair or struggling to keep your floors spotless, then this is the perfect solution for you. With its 3000Pa Cyclone cleaning system, this robot vacuum is designed to efficiently vacuum up all dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from multiple surfaces. It's perfect for hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, and more. What's even more impressive is the smart app and voice control feature. You can easily control the robot vacuum from your phone and even give it voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. It's the ultimate hands-free cleaning experience. But that's not all. This robot vacuum is designed to clean where you can't reach. It's only 2.99 inches tall, and it can effortlessly access and clean under beds, furniture, and other hard-to-reach places. Plus, it's engineered for pet owners with a no-entanglement design and a 3-point cleaning system that collects pet hair more efficiently. The robot also has 6 cleaning modes to meet your specific needs, and it will automatically start cleaning on schedule and return to the charging station when it's done. It's hassle-free and incredibly convenient. So if you're ready to say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to a clean and pet hair-free home, then be sure to check out the Ravacnik Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find the link in the description below and take the first step towards a cleaner home today. Don't miss out.